GPX Japan for the first time launched the new model GTM250R on SNS as the successor to the Gentleman Racer 200, which gained popularity with its futuristic cafe racer style. The neoclassical model Gentleman Racer 200 adopts a rocket cover, which can be said to be a symbol of classic racer style, and gained popularity with a surprising price of 396,000 yen, later increasing to 429,000 yen when it first appeared. GPX Japan launched GPX Gtm250R for the first time on SNS. Details such as price, release date, and specifications will be announced at a later date. But the styling, including the rocket cover and rear view mirrors, appears to be almost unchanged from the Gentleman Racer 200, as well as the upside-down front end, fork plus radial mount calipers, and wire spoke rims. There doesn't seem to be any major changes to the suspension. The biggest change occurred in the engine, as can be seen from the name of the car. This is a new engine whose capacity has been increased from the 200cc class to the 250cc class, and the mixer has been changed from a negative pressure carburetor to an FI, you can see it. While complying with the latest exhaust gas regulations, peak torque and power in the normal use range will increase. The shape of the silencer doesn't seem to have changed much, but the exhaust pipe has become thicker, and the catalyst section in the middle has become quite visible. Apart from that, when comparing the old and new models, it appears that the radial mount calipers for the front brakes are also new, and the brake hose path is also different. The addition of ABS will also be a topic. There also appear to be some minor differences, such as the fuel tank pad being padded and the tires having a slightly more checkered pattern. The official announcement will reportedly be made in the near future, so please stay tuned for further news.